Today I am reviewing MSI Codex R2 gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The MSI Codex R2 gaming desktop is one of the most impressive pre-built gaming PCs for 2025, offering a blend of power, performance, and style at a competitive price. Designed for both gamers and everyday users, this machine brings the latest technology to your desk with an emphasis on speed, efficiency, and customization. At the heart of the Codex R2 is the Intel Core i5-14400F processor, a high-performance CPU featuring hybrid architecture with 10 cores and speeds up to 4.7 GHz. This makes it not just a great choice for gaming, but also for demanding multitasking, creative work, and streaming. It delivers smooth performance whether you're gaming at ultra settings, editing videos, or working on complex projects. Paired with the powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060, this system is ready to handle modern AAA titles with ease. The RTX 5060 delivers realistic visuals with ray tracing support, and combined with 8 GB of GDDR6 memory, it provides stunning detail, crisp textures, and buttery smooth gameplay. Whether you're playing competitive esports titles or graphically demanding games, the Codex R2 keeps frame rates high and visual fidelity exceptional. Memory is another standout feature. This PC comes equipped with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 5,600 MHz, ensuring fast load times and seamless multitasking. You can run multiple applications, stream, and game simultaneously without any slowdown. For storage, MSI includes a 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD, offering incredibly fast boot speeds and quick access to your games and applications. You'll spend less time waiting and more time doing what you love. One of the most attractive aspects of the MSI Codex R2 is its cooling and design. The system features RGB fan air cooling with 4 system fans, 3 at the front and 1 at the rear, ensuring consistent airflow to keep your CPU and GPU temperatures under control during intense gaming sessions. The RGB lighting system adds a touch of personalization, letting you customize the look of your PC with vibrant lighting effects through the MSI Center software. This is perfect for gamers who want a system that not only performs well, but also looks stunning. Connectivity is top-notch, with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 support for the fastest wireless connections, as well as multiple USB ports, HDMI, and DisplayPort outputs. Whether you're connecting high-speed peripherals, multiple monitors, or VR devices, this system has the ports you need. From a build perspective, the Codex R2 delivers a sleek, compact tower with a clean, modern design. It's easy to upgrade later, giving gamers the flexibility to expand memory, storage, or graphics performance as needed. Overall, the MSI Codex R2 is an exceptional gaming PC for 2025, offering excellent performance for gaming, streaming, and everyday computing at a great value. It's a future-ready system with powerful hardware, efficient cooling, and customizable aesthetics, making it one of the best choices for gamers who want a plug-and-play solution without compromise. If you're looking for a high-performance gaming desktop that combines power, speed, style, and value, the MSI Codex R2 is a fantastic option. Whether you're a casual gamer or a competitive esports player, this PC delivers the performance you need with the features you want.